In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your permanently deleted TikTok account, therefore without wasting any of your time. Let's jump to the video. So if due to some reasons you deleted your TikTok account and now you want to recover it, then what you have to do is to open TikTok application. Click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screens. Go to settings and privacy. Scroll down and click on report a problem. Then select this account and profile option. Click on the last option, profile page, and scroll down. Then click on other. Click on need more help. Now in this box, you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to provide all the details why you deleted your TikTok account and why do you want to recover it now. Once you have stated down the issue, all you have to do is to click on the submit option. And once you click on submit, within the next 24 hours, your deleted TikTok account will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.